Welcome back to Smart Drive Hub, the channel where power meets precision, and where we bring you the boldest, wildest, and most exciting machines from all around the world. If you're passionate about supercars, luxury SUVs, and extreme performance builds, you're in the right place. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest drop. Today, we're taking things to a whole new level. So buckle up because what you're about to see is not just a car, it's a creature. Now let's jump straight into the beast of the year. Today we're checking out the 2022 Mercedes AMG G63 P820, the so-called Black Monster. A machine so aggressive it makes the Lamborghini Urus look like a polite family SUV. This isn't your regular G Wagon. This is a fully transformed, wide-body, deep growling, blacked-out powerhouse built to dominate every road it touches. Right from the first look, the P820 demands respect. The front end is completely reimagined with a more muscular hood, razor-sharp vents, massive intakes, and a stance that literally screams authority. The LED signature lighting on the roof and bumper gives it a night vision predator vibe. Full stealth mode, full intimidation. Move to the sides and it gets even crazier. The wide fenders stretch out like armor plating, sitting over enormous forged wheels that look like they were designed for both war and luxury at the same time. The deep black exterior, the gloss accents, and the lowered sporty posture make this thing look like it eats asphalt for breakfast. And then, the heart of the monster. Under the hood, the P820 pumps out a monstrous 520 horsepower, a huge jump from the stock AMG G63. This boost turns an already powerful SUV into a super SUV that launches like a rocket. The acceleration is brutal, the mid-range power hits like a hammer, and every throttle input feels like it's waking up a sleeping beast. Even the sound is different, deeper, angrier, more volcanic. On the road, the P820 doesn't just drive, it dominates. The steering feels tighter, the body control is improved, and the power delivery is instant. Every gear shift hits with authority. And because of the wide body kit and upgraded aero pieces, this machine looks twice as big and twice as mean when rolling through the streets. Now let's talk about presence, because this SUV has more presence than most supercars. Park it next to a Lamborghini Urus and suddenly the Urus starts looking humble. The P820 stands taller, wider, louder, darker. It has the "don't mess with me" attitude that no Italian SUV can match. And that's why people call it the Black Monster. Inside, you get a luxury experience, but with a twist. Deep leather, custom stitching, carbon fiber panels, sporty accents everywhere. It keeps the classic G Wagon luxury vibe, but adds an aggressive, performance-focused tone. And despite all the upgrades, it still maintains the rugged comfort of an AMG cabin. Overall, the 2022 AMG G63 P820 Black Monster is not built for everyone. It's built for those who want maximum dominance, maximum presence, and maximum power. It's not subtle. It's not gentle. It's a statement, a loud one, and when this thing hits the road, every other SUV steps aside. If you're into SUVs that look wild, drive wild, and feel like they're straight out of a futuristic action movie, this beast is definitely worth admiring. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more insane machines like this, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who loves extreme builds. This is Smart Drive Hub, and I'll catch you in the next one with another automotive monster.